In this video, we'll explore 3 different methods to create a line reveal text effect.
I'm taking shots at the enemy. I'm gonna make it to the top, leave a legacy. If I got something to say, you better let me speak. Turn it up a new degree, bitch, you ain't seen anything. I pop off with the new rock.
First, create a new composition. Then, select the rounded rectangle tool and draw a line. To center the anchor point, click on the anchor tool. Select the shape layer, then press and hold the Control key on your keyboard and double-click the anchor tool. Now, it's time to keyframe its position. Next, type your first text. And to adjust its position, move it slightly forward using the bracket keys on your keyboard. After that, create a mask on your text. Finally, animate the mask using keyframes to achieve the line reveal effect. After that, write down your second text and repeat the same steps you applied to the first text. Adjust the position, create a mask, and animate it using keyframes to achieve a consistent reveal effect. Now, let's move to the second effect. First, select the rounded rectangle tool, then create a new circle. Center the anchor point. Now, open the rectangle size property. Set a keyframe at the start, then move a bit forward in the timeline. Next, unlink the size and increase the shape's width to transform the circle into a line. After that, open the position property to continue the animation. Now, open the position property and keyframe when the line animation ends. Move forward a bit in the composition, then move the line down. Write your first text. Create a mask on it, and animate the mask to complete the effect.
Tracks and some music that you never guessed. I don't slack, don't lose, learn your lesson yet. When I get to choose what I do, I'm like a weapon. I'm not sharp as many, but got heart. I'm ready to change scars to envy, to win large and plenty. I like to play fast, never change back. Calling out, I'll pay back, cause I'm great at that. Oh, you cannot save me, cause I don't need saving. It's everything I've been chasing, all here for the taking. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough defeat. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who were half-nots. You were not as tough though. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough defeat. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who were half-nots, who were not as tough as